I am from Gaugrass Math Sub. I am going to explain question number 1, Roman 4, that has been taken from chapter 6, Approximation of NCERT 12 Mathematics. The question is, using differentials, find the approximate value of 0.009 raised to the power 1 over 3 up to 3 places of decimal. Here I shall write solution. Solution. Given that the function (0.009) raised to the power 1 over 3 again I shall write, let f of x equal to x raised to the power 1 over 3. Here you can see, given that the given function consists of index 1 over 3. So this index 1 over 3 will be reflected here the same as 1 over 3. F of x is fixed here, x is also fixed here, but the index of x will be taken from this place. 1 over 3 will be remain the same. Remember this. Here again I shall write, imply that differentiating f of x with respect to x, we shall get this is x. Implied that d over dx of f of x comes out to be d over dx of x raised to the power 1 over 3, implied that d over dx of f of x comes out to be f dash of x. Here f dash x is the first order derivative of f of x, equal to d over dx of x raised to the power 1 over 3 comes out to be 1 over 3 x raised to the power 1 over 3 minus 1, implied that f dash of x equal to 1 over 3, here write x raised to the power 1 over 3 minus 1 comes out to be minus 2 over 3. This one I shall write. 1 minus 3 comes out minus 2 over 3. This one. So here again I shall write, imply that f dash of x comes out to be 1 over 3 x raised to the power 2 over 3. I shall write this one. F dash of x equal to 1 over 3 dot x raised to the power 2 over 3. This is correct. Now again I shall write the core value. I shall take 0.009. Here I shall write now let 0.009 equal to x plus delta x. Remember this one. Here the core value 0.009 will be reflected here the same. The core value 0.009 I have reflected. Here this the core value 0.009 will be splitted into two parts. First part will be x and second part will be delta x. Both will be added. Now what we'll do next? Here I shall take first part. Again I shall write let x equal to y raised to the power 3. Remember this one. How? Only first part. Take here first part. Here x is there, write here x. Only take first part. Don't think over second part. Only take first part. The first part I have taken here x equal to. Here y, the value of y we have to assume, determine in the rough work. Here you can see these 3. The index 3 will be fixed. That will be taken from the denominator of this fraction. Here you can see the fraction is 1/3. In which denominator is 3, these 3 will be reflected here. These three will be the same. Here the index is the fraction. Here the index 1/3 is the fraction. In which I shall take only the denominator 3. These three I have reflected, I display. These three will be the same. Remember this one. Now what we'll do next? Next, get the value of y. Get the value of y. Assume the value of y. The value of y, how will you assume, from where you will take? So this value y raised to the power 3. So here I shall write then y raised to the power 3 will be somewhat approximate 0.009. Approximate होना चाहिए. Approximate. So if we write here, let y equal to 0.2. Let y equal to 0.2. Assume this one. So what we'll do here, imply that 0.2 का q will get here 0.2 multiply to 0.2 multiply to 0.2 will get here equal to 0.008. This thing you will get 0.2 will multiply together. The result will be multiplied to 0.2. 2 दूनी के 4 दूनी 8. 8 I shall write here, and here 1, 2, 3. So after decimal 3 digits will be taken. This way. So here you can see this value and this value. Approximate. That's why the value of y I shall take 0.2. In this way we have to judge. Nothing short of it. You have to think over, write the things in the rough work, from here you judge. This value, approximate value we have to take. Here you can see y raised power 3, 0.2 raised power 3. You have got this one. This value approx you can see. In this way you have to determine. Nothing more rule is there. What we will do here? Here again I shall write let x equal to 0.008 and delta x equal to what will do 0.001. let x equal to 0.008 and delta x equal to 0.001. Both will be added together. X plus delta x will be added together. 0.008 and 0.001 will be added together, will get this value. Here again I shall write implied that 0.009 equal to 0.008 plus 0.001. This thing I have got. The value of x you have determined, but delta x value I have determined. So what to do next? Next I shall write the formula. Use the formula by using the formula implied that f of x plus delta x, I shall write f of x plus delta x dot f dash of x. This thing will be right. What to do next here? Here write f of, in place of x I shall write 0.008 plus 0.001. F of x I shall write from where? From this place I shall write x raised to the power 1 over 3 I shall write, plus in place of delta x I shall write delta x I shall write this value 0.001 delta x. F dash of x I shall write this one. So here write 1 over 3 x raised to the power 2 over 3. This thing will be written. So what will do next? Next I shall write, here you can write f of (0.008) and 0.001 will be added together. We will get here 0.009 equal to, in place of x I shall write this value. So here write 0.008 raised power 1 over 3 plus, in place of delta x I shall write this value 0.001 dot 1 over 3, and in place of x write here 0.008 raised to the power 2 over 3. This thing I have written. What to do next? Here I shall write implied that f of 0.009. So what to do here? Here f of x, so in place of x I shall write 0.009. So here in place of x I shall write 0.009. So here write 0.009 raised to the power 1 over 3. This is 3 equal to, now same thing I have got here. Here 0.008 can be written as, open here curly bracket, and here in bracket I shall write 0.2 whole raised to power 3 whole के power 1 over 3 I shall write 1 over 3. 0.2 का whole cube comes out to be 0.008 plus here 0.001 whole over 3 I shall write, again here I shall write, open here curly bracket, 0.2 raised के power 3 whole raised के power 1/3. What to do next? Here again I shall write 0.009 raised के power 1/3 equal to. These three will be cancelled out. Here you will get 0.2 plus here I 0.001 whole over 3 I shall write here 3. Here these three will be cancelled out. Here we will get only 0.2. Implied that I can write very well. Here again you can write 0.009 raised to the power 1/3 equal to, here you can write 2/10. 0.2 can be written as 2/10 plus here again you can write 0.001 whole over 0.6. 0.6. Write here 2 digits more. Here you can see I have committed some mistake here. Here you can see 0.001 over 3 dot 0.2 का whole cube raised to the power 2/3. This one is 2. This one is 2 here. So here I 2. This one is 2. Here you can see 3, 3. 0.2 whole cube, this one you will get, index will be 2/3, 2/3 I have written. So these three will get in, so here you will get 3 will be cancelled, here square will be there. Here square will be there. Now I think it is correct. So what to do? 0.2 can be written 2/10, as this one 0.001 over, this will come here 3, here you will get 0.04. This thing you will get. Rajini Kachar, this thing will get. So again I shall write, implied that 2/10 plus 0.001 whole over, here write 0.12. 4 तिया 12, 0.12. 4 तिहाई 12, 12 ही written. Now here you can write 0. This thing will got. Again I shall write, implied that 0.009 raised to the power 1/3 equal to 2/10 plus 1/120. This thing can be written. Now what to do next? Next I shall write this one cancel out, you will get here 5. 1 over 5 I can write. So here write 0.009 raised to power 1 over 3 is equal to 1 over 5 plus 120. You will get here, take LCM 120. LCM will be 120. So what will do next? Next I shall write here 20, so 24. If you 24 will multiply by 5, 2 upon with the x of you will get here 5. So here write 24 plus 1 comes out to be 25 over 120. 25 over 120. 25 over 120 will get. So what will do next? Here again I shall write 0.009 raised to the power 1 over 3 equal to 25 बटा 120 comes out to be 5 over 24. 5 5 25 और 24 5 जा 120. 5 24 5 जा 24 24 5 जा 120 और 5 5 जा 25. So 5 will be divided by 24. So let us see. 5 will be divided by 24. So here I shall write here I shall write 5 rough work. 5 will be divided by 24. So here write 0 to here 0 point. Again, how many times? 2 times. You will get here 48. Again you will get 2. Here you will get 0. 20 can't be divided by 24. So if you put here 0, so here write 0. How many times you will get? It will get 8 times. 8 times, no, not 8 times. How many times it will go? 8 times. Let us see 8 times. 8 के 32, 8 4 जा 32 3 और 8 2 जा 16 plus 3 19. This one approximately got. So here you will get approximately 0.208. This is the approx value I have got. So here you have got correct answer. Implied that I can write here very well. 0.009 raised to the power 1 over 3. Approximate value you have got 0.208. This will be the correct answer you have got. .208. This is the correct answer. Just tell you the answer. I think so. It is correct. 0.009 raised to the power 1 over 3 comes out to be 0.208. The answer you have got. The approximate value 0.208. This is the proper solution of question number 1. Roman 4. It's chapter 6, approximation of NCERT 12 mathematics. Okay guys, thanks.